Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. I am teacher Khurshid Ahmed Bhatt from High School Nogam, Zone district. प्यारे बच्चों अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हमें पढ़ना है क्लास 3 का EVS। हमारा सबक है चैप्टर नंबर 18 लेफ्ट राइट। लेफ्ट राइट जो हमने पढ़ा प्यारे बच्चों उस पोर तो रात लिखे now look in your classroom and tell them. So all she wanna do make. This is a picture with Simran in the center. This is a picture with Simran in the center. In the given picture, on other page drawn, a book behind Simran, a chair on Simran's left, an animal on Simran's right, a tree in front of Simran. We should go to Bakes on the page number page number Akataba. Yet pet Akshakal death is Mazbag Simran Mazbag Bait. In the given picture on other page drawn, a book behind Simran. Simran's Pitkinch Kitab. Simran's Pitkinch behind Pitkin. Simran's Pitkinch at Shaklimas Kitab. A chair on Simran's left. Khowri on Simran's left chair. Yada Chak Kursi. Acha. An animal on Simran's right. Dashne on Simran's kya? Ab Janwar. In front of Simran. A tree in front of Simran. Which Simran's kya? Kulak. Emung Modlabu. Ilis Bucho Yishims Pedim side. Yat Simran Yishims Pedim side. Yat book. Yat Chak Kitab Aktoy Banawi Berevacho. Yet I put Banawi to Shekal Panye. Kaipi Pet. Banoin to Simran Mazbag. Yat Banawis to Kitab. Dashne Anchimis Brigura. Khowri Anchimis. Pani Crowrian. Kursiak. Yet Davasmas. To you see bitch. Yishims Akmach in school. Cool. Yani imson Petim back. You should touch Kitab. Dashnin Anchimis Ak. Janwara. Khowri Anchimis. Kursi. The bitch use him front at the chak. Kulak. Yani you should front side. You go him front, you go Dutchun, you go core. You should boot hogun period him front. Agar yok na say boot till get behind. Put can get him yat bitum get yat tell Dutchun your core yat magarish boot hogun period. Malab Dutchun go yet, core go ye, bit go yet, wait a man go ye, put mint him kitab, book, yet chase banawa kitabak, yet Jimmy Janwar, you get cat, yet brewer banawa, yet kukulak banawa, yet chak, kursiak banawa. Pachwana Ogudu Simran from home to school. Find the school in the picture. Also find the way from Simran's home to her school. Now with a colored pencil, trace the way from Simran's home to her school. Simran garpech a shekel ak banawi school ustain get poetry gasa ims kya shu bucht piama yi koper chi basa ek chemo panamot yat nemos yichu school yichu tree godnet yichu choice Rincher's house Rincher chuyatat yichu ims makan to yedra yapur shi paka Rincher's house to both yet chu makanak yat chu hand pump kya hand pump yim said ab chase khala hand pump to dashne chu yat kulak tree yapur was yat park yim chu yapur paka yat well tube well crew rock Round can was yet post office, your can bus sit up, your can post office, yet hospital, yet was yet shop, yet kulak bay, empath emson kya, school ewa, empath emson, school ewa. The earthy bon can wana. Which place and things will Simran find on her way from home to school? Write their names. The mayemti cheese em Simran's gari per schools darmian bit piama, ya ain't pike piama, ya imis ati ewa. I'm on the say now. Question. Question to which place and things will Simran find on her way from home to school? Write their names. God ne tu Simran's house. Simran yel gardra to butch emis akmakaneva. Butch emis akmakaneva ek sumaka. Kitab. To God Natilako, Simran's house, house, what James say my hand pump, temper dry a chakulak tree, اَمہِ پَتہٕ درٛاو اَتہِ چھُ وٮ۪ل ٹیوٗب وٮ۪ل أکۍ اَمہِ پَتہٕ چھُ أمِس یِوان بس سٹاپ اَمہِ پَتہٕ چھُ یِوان پوسٹ آفِس تَمہِ پَتہٕ چھُ یِوان ہاسپِٹل پَتہٕ چھُ یِوان اکھ دُکان پَتہٕ چھِ اکھ پارک پَتہٕ چھُ ٹری اکھ کُل اکھ پَتہٕ چھُ یہِ پوٚتُس واتان کوٚت سکوٗل یعنی اَمیُک آنسر چھُ سِمرانس ہاوس ہینڈ پمپ ٹری ویل بس سٹاپ پوسٹ آفِس ہاسپِٹل شاپ پارک ٹری اینڈ سکوٗل یِم چیٖز چھِ أمِس اَتہِ فاینڈ گژھان یہِ چھِ یِم چیٖز وٕچھان اَپٲرۍ گژھان بچو چھُ مےٚ تُہۍ کٔرِو یِم دُشوے سوال تھٲیِو پننہِ کِتابہِ پٮ۪ٹھ سوال کاپی پٮ۪ٹھ نوٹ کٔرِتھ تہٕ لیکھِو السلام علیکم ورحمتہ اللہ وبرکاتہ